started.
Illustrating the data, the present statistics, facts and figures, and visually using charts, graphs, and other graphics tools are used by illustrate the data and simplifying a complex subject. So, in any subject, there are so many content or so many difficult concepts are there. So, with the help of infographic, we can split into a simple manner and we can illustrate with a visual cues and drawing a comparisons and visually compare two or more products or services and features and brands or concepts or persons. So it is for example, if you want to purchase a unique brand of mobile, we compare two or three brands. So while we are using these kind of marketing oriented companies and creating awareness and spread word about an important cause or create a brand awareness and visibility, and summarizing a longer content and repurpose long video and blog posts and reports into bite-sized infographics. And these are some other types of infographics. It is a statistical infographics. So statistical infographics may use the typography, charts, and graphs to present a research, facts, and figures in a visual way. This helps to make a data look more interesting and easier to digest than a bunch of plain numbers or tables. Yes, statistical infographic can either focus on single research or data visualization or use a mixture of different visualization to present various facts and figures about a topic. So in this statistical infographics, the users of social platforms, so Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest and LinkedIn. So this much of percentage of people are using the social platform. They show the percentage of users. And next one is informational graphics. The informational graphics use a mix of text and visual elements to explain or simplify a topic or guide readers through the series of steps. The informational infographics use a mix of text and visual elements to explain or simplify a topic or guide readers through a series of steps. And the next one is product design process or process text. So process infographics usually make a use of flowcharts, diagrams, and even timelines to guide a readers through a series of steps or to help simplify the decision-making process. So, for example, in a liquor industry, there is the preparation of liquor. There is so many process. We can indicate by step in the process by using the process infographics. And the next one is timeline infographics. The timeline infographics are useful for presenting information in a chronological order, whether you are visually showcasing your brand history or showing how something has evolved over time. A timeline of infographic can help out it. It is an anatomical infographic. So anatomical infographic, it is a parts of explanation of something else. So here here explaining the each part of a burger. So bun, cheese, and nuts. So even in the anatomical infographics are used in the medical field. Internal parts like the heart. These are the parts are explained by the anatomical infographics. And anatomical infographics can help you do just the type of infographic has labeled a diagram format, which can help you highlight and explain the ingredients, product parts, and characteristics, and personality trait, and more. And the next one is hierarchy infographic. The hierarchy infographic, this type of infographic usually features a funny to help you display a different level of information. So one by one level of information can help to understand the concepts and the content by using the hierarchy infographic. And next one is comparison infographics. The comparison infographics, we can compare two more products or persons by their characteristics and their skills and traits. The comparison of infographics are useful comparing multiple objects, people, concepts, products or brands, and visually comparing ideas can help illustrate a similarity and differences. Here shows some two kinds of product comparison, and here the best savings and checking accounts rates, TD Bank and Bank of America and BB and Wells Fargo. So these are the characteristics and services comparison of some bank details. And next one is location-based infographics. The location-based infographic, if you want to showcase of geographical information in a visual form, a location-based or map infographic is a great asset. We can indicate, we can mention the infographic, geographical information in our infographics content. And next one is visual resume infographics. So nowadays, employers receive more than hundreds of resumes at a time, and only a handful of them manage to stand out from the pile. If you want to take your resume to the next level, consider to creating a visual resume infographic. So visual resume infographic create a more attention among the employers, giving an opportunity for and so many visual graphics platforms are available. So kindly note it down. The first one is PictoChart. First one is a PictoChart, and second one is Canva. Second one is Canva, and third one is Infographia. Third one is Infographia, and fourth one is Animaker. And the fourth one is Animaker, and fifth one is Venkage. Fifth one is Venkage, Venkage, Venkage. And next one is PicMonkey. Next one is PicMonkey. So these are the infographic platform. So now I am going to demonstrate about PictoChart. So here I mentioned how to create a infographic. The first one is go to the Google Chrome and type PictoChart, and it shows like this. Our page. You can click your first web page, PictoChart, and it shows next level. It shows like this, and go to sign up. We need to create our own account with the help of Gmail ID, and next shows like this. You can type your mail ID or you can choose your mail ID, and automatically it's entered into the PictoChart. And before that, it's asked something related to marketing oriented or educational purpose, something else. So I'll show that in the demonstration. So it is a dashboard page, and just click the create new, and next shows like this, and we can choose infographics. Actually, not only for infographics, we can create a presentation, we can create a posters, we can create a reports, we can create a flyers, and we can connect with the social media, and we can change the customized size of presentation. and create things. And next, if you click it shows like this, it's open like this, and here so many templates are available. If you want to these templates, you can choose and use for your own content. Otherwise, if you click your own blank, if you click in a blank template, you can create a one page, own infographic pages for your presentation. So if you open in a blank page, it is shows like this, white color page, and in this left side it shows the graphics. So in this graphics containing so many information that are saved icons, illustrations, and lines, and photos and photo frames. And the first option is saves and icons. If you click in saves and icons, it shows so many things. Agriculture, animals, arrows, and banners, and business, finance, and checklists, like things. So more than 30 saves and icons are available in the PictoChart. And next one is graphics and illustration. Some illustration picture, some graphical pictures are available. If you want to use these graphical pictures, you can use for your presentation. And the next one is line. We can draw a line at any space, or wherever is required, you can draw your lines at your content. And the next option is photos. So already here so many photos are available. If you want to these photos, you can use for your presentation. Otherwise, you can use your own photos with the help of your different computers. And next one is photo frame. So photo frame, it's a frame. We can choose this frame, and we can insert some photos related to the content in already existing in a PictoChart, or else your own picture from the your computer. And the next one is design, and the first one is graphics. Graphics containing 4 components. That is shapes and icons, illustration, lines and photos and photo frame. And next one is design components. So design components. So here so many designs. So there are 3 things is that. The first one is list. So in this list, so many pictures or templates are available. So in these templates, we can use our purpose. Already I explain about the types of infographics. You can use these templates or design components for your own content preparation. And these are the timelines. And next one is these are the comparisons. So product comparison, or person comparison, or personality trait comparisons. We can use comparisons templates in the design components. The next one is uploads. So in your computers, you already stored some photos and images. You can upload by using these options, and you can use images to your infographic. And next one is a background style. So the background styles, we can create different types, and different designs of background with the help of background tool. And the next option is text. So here 5 types of text options are available. Here 5 types of text options are available. The first one is title. You can click the title for your content by using this title tool. And next one is subtitle tool. It is smaller than the title, and it is each title and text, it is gradually decreased to a title to the body of the text. The first one is title, and second one is subtitle, and third one is subtitle 2. So it is gradually decreased for the purpose of preparing or creating infographics. And next one is text to frame. So text to frame. So it's so the text to frame, it is shows like this. So in this picture or image, we can edit and can use directly for our infographics presentation. And next one is charts, and next one is tools option. So here three things are available. The first one is charts and maps and videos. You can directly insert a video with YouTube link. So if you click the video and it starts the YouTube link, and if you insert the YouTube link, it is directly connected with the YouTube, and we can view the video in our infographical page. It is also applicable for charts and maps also. So if you want to teach about Indian Indian history or Indian coastal region, coastal area, you can click and click Indian Ocean. So it shows the Indian Ocean map also. So I will explain in the demonstration. And here some tools are available. The first one is redo, and next one is undo, and lock option, and it is a color option, it is a capacity, it is a opacity, it is a increase or decrease the transition of the content or picture. That next one is font size, and font, and next one is a font tools, font size. It makes bolds and italics. These are the things is common in the Microsoft Office also. So I will demonstrate how to use the PictoChart. It is an example for some PictoChart for the content play and child development. So the infographical charts, it's like that only. So we can explain what is play, and we can give a meaning for that, and we can provide a characteristics of play and components of kinds of play, etc. with the help of using the infographical tool. Okay. Go to sign up. Create an account with using Gmail ID, and it shows like this, and go to create new. Just what would you like to create today? So it is infographics. So infographics, click, and we can use some infographics. So we can use a blank infographic page, or else we can choose this already available templates. So many templates are there. If you want to use these templates, you can choose these templates. Otherwise, you can prefer empty template. Here you can insert your company or institution logo. Here it shows a picture like page. You can insert your institution or some other pictures related things or content related thing here, and I'm going to insert. Yeah, so it shows it is automatically placed in the page. We can type our content title. For example, pollution. We can track the title wherever it is required. We can change the place of the title. Change the place of the title. So your color, we can change the color by using this tool. Here you can mention your name, those who are going to develop your infographic. And it is already existing templates. If you want to add your photo, just click or insert any picture or your passport size photo. Here that upload options is available, so you can upload and save in the picture chat, and after that you can use your own photo in the templates. So just drag into that area. It is automatically fixed into the in that area, in the particular area, in the particular region. And next we can give a definition for pollution. What is pollution? What is pollution? Any undesirable changes in the environment. So we can give a definition in that particular place, and we can give a types of pollution. Types. Likewise, we can add our information in the entire page. Okay, and the first option, graphics. So in the graphics, so shapes and icons, there are so many shapes and icons are available. The first one is check the line box and star and circle, art in triangle, and square. We can use these fonts. If you want to this shapes and icons, you can add, you can choose and add anywhere. Okay, and next one is, and here shapes of basics, and here are animal shapes are available. And next, banner. If you want to create a banner in the infographics or certificates or those things, you can use these templates. And the next option, so many colors. So color designs also, color shapes and icons also are available. And mono, blank icons are available. So if you want those things, you can choose the shapes and designs in the infographic. And next one is illustration. So some illustrated picture is available. So now the COVID-19 awareness created by using this illustration pictures. We can choose this illustrated picture, and we can enlarge and minimize illustrated picture by enlarging and minimize the picture by tracking or increasing like this. And next option, lines. So if you choose, if you want to add any line in your page, you can choose a line and you can add wherever it is required. So we can enlarge and decrease. And next option is the photos. The photos already is available, and if you don't want to use this photo, you can use your own photo by uploading the photos in the from the computer. And next one is a photo frame. So it is a photo frame. If you choose any photo frame from this tool, it is appear in the photographical page, and here in this frame we can use another photo. Yeah, like that we can another photos in the photo frame. So here I use the college banner. So in this photo frame page. And the next option, next tool is design components. Here, three design components are available. The first one is list. If you choose a list, it shows like this. So, for example, if you want to explain about some content and sometimes some classification, you can use this kind of design component. So instead of that, you can type the content in the design. For example, micro teaching cycle. Planning, teaching, feedback, and we can add by right click the any saves and copy and paste. So we can create a new sage also by by clicking a mouse, right click the mouse and use this use this tool, copy and paste. We can create a new same saves in the same page. These are the character personality or character comparison chart. And next one is timeline. So timeline chart, these kind of charts are available in the metro, railway station or railway route. Some pictures for timelines. You can compare a product or persons, etc. And next one is comparison. You can compare two different products or characters or personality. You can compare two different teams. You can compare four different products. And next, upload. Those images. So the images appear. You can use your image wherever it is prepared, wherever you want to add that image in the page. You can paste the you can choose and paste the infographical page. Okay, and next one is background. So here some already existing templates are available. If you want to use these templates or background designs, you can use it. Otherwise, you can use use some pictures in your infographical page. So if you click this background picture, it is appear in the infographical page. So it is automatically change the background of the infographics. And next one is text option. So it is a title page. So it is H1. It is you can choose this title page for giving your content title, and next subtitle and subtitle 2 and subtitle 3 and body of the text, and some text frame also available in the templates. So you can choose this text frame and clicking the body of the frame, and you can type your content. Okay, so many text frames is that. If you want to increase text frame, you can track or you can increase or enlarge like this. And some already a logo like text frame is also available. If you can choose and use the frames also for your content. And the next option is color themes. You can increase the color of the theme by using this color scheme. So the color of the scheme is also we can change. And next one is tools. So here chart is available. If you want to add some mark details in your student performance by in the infographical chart, you can mention their names and marks and insert chart. It's also up here. So if you don't want to phone chart, you can change the chart like a bar diagram, triangle bar, horizontal bar, linear graph, area, and pie chart, stacked event, in hierarchical chart, and cross chart, and donut chart. So you can change the chart type, insert, and wherever it is required, you can track and place the chart. And next one is map. Indian Ocean. So Indian Ocean map preview. If you want to this Indian Ocean map preview, so insert map. So it is shows in the infographical page. You can place the map wherever it is necessary. And also you can change the color of the map. Map color. If you want in a red color, you can change red or violet, blue, orange. So like that we can change the map color also, and border color also we can change. Border color also we can change. Okay, and the next one is video. So here, if you click in the video option, it asks some video link. So we don't know the video link, so you can go to the YouTube. Copy the link. Copy the link and paste here and insert video. So it's appear in the infographical page. And you can increase and decrease by using like this. By tracking, enlarging the corner of the frame, it is automatically enlarged and reduced, and you can place wherever it is prepared. Okay, that's all. And finally, you can get a infographic like this. Yeah. Here we created some concepts for gender. The end product of infographical charts, infographics looks like that. So here the title is concepts of gender. Here we add some frames, and also here we explain the gender bias, subgender bias, and we added some videos related gender bias. And we add here some differentiation between two components, masculine and feminine, and we are also used here infographical concept map also. So some content like gender empowerment. So some content related gender empowerment, and it is related to video. And also we have used some differentiation dimensions of empowerment. So the end product of your infographics, it looks like that only. Thank you. If you have any doubts, text me in a chat box. Sir, you can ask your doubt in our chat box. Yeah. How to save infographics? Yes. Sir, your save option is available, sir. On the top, your save option is available. You can save and you can preview your infographics, and you can download your infographic as PNG format and PDF and PowerPoint and normal quality and medium quality and high quality also. And also you can share the infographical links to your students, and just click the link by watching and learning your infographical poster. Yes, we can share the file for Doda. Here, share option also available. If you click the share link, you can you can copy the link, and you can send the link by WhatsApp or mail also. What is the assignment? You have to prepare a infographical page in a chart content. How to add a moving animation object in the poster? Here, moving animation is not possible to add, but you can add videos. Now we can use it for web designing also. As a picture, we can use as a web designing. What topic? Also like it. Any topic related to your subject. Any other question? Is all templates are free in this PictoChart? Actually, in this PictoChart, only 5 templates are 5 infographics only we can add it. Otherwise, we can go with paid version. But in the case of Canva, we can use free version. Actually, in the PictoChart, we create only 5 infographics in a free version. Otherwise, we can go with paid version. In other platforms like Canva, Infogram, Graphia, we can use free version. We can use in a free version also. Canva. Kindly repeat the platforms: Canva, Infogram, Infographia, Vencage, Animaker, PicMonkey, Canva, CANVA. You can type it now. Sort of. Infographia, Infogram, Vencage, and the person free Canva only. But in the platform, Canva is a free software, but it's not good to make a picture chart. Sorry, containment in the chat box because of the voice breaking and I am not able to. A creation of infographic page. You can create your own infographic page in a small content, and you can send the link after the session, and you can upload the infographical image to the Google form.